I'm going to show you how to make tortilla pizzas. So let's get one thing straight. Tortilla pizzas are not gourmet. They're something that you make when you're feeling lazy, maybe you had a late night last night. It's not perfect, but it definitely does the trick in a pinch. First things first, you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that's preheating, I need to prepare my tortilla. So first I'm gonna brush it with a little bit of olive oil. And if you don't have a pastry brush, don't worry about it. You can just use a spoon. Next is just a little bit of salt and pepper. And optionally, you can add some garlic or onion powder just for a bit of extra flavor. And then we just need to bake this in our preheated oven for between 3 to 5 minutes until it gets a little bit crispy and browned on top. Now that the tortilla is a little bit crispy, it'll be able to hold the toppings better and it won't get soggy on the bottom. So let's start with some pizza sauce. I'm just using canned pizza sauce because this is a lazy recipe, but of course if you want to make your own pizza sauce, go for it. Or you can even use pasta sauce. Anything tomato based is great. And for the cheese, I just have some grated mozzarella, but if you don't have mozzarella at home and you're really craving pizza, pretty much any cheese is gonna work. I'm not gonna tell anyone. This is already pretty far away from a regular pizza, so do what you want. Good, okay, and for the toppings, I'm just doing pepperoni. So just lay on a bunch of pieces. And that's it. Your pizza just needs to go back in the oven for another 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Looks like a pretty good pizza. I can't wait to try it. Cheers. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna be making this every time I'm feeling lazy and craving pizza. It's not exactly pizza, but it definitely does the trick. Try it at home, let me know how it goes. And while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.